Hello, and warm greetings to colleagues and advocates near and far. On behalf of the Cultural Neuropsychology Council and the Society for Black Neuropsychology, I am thrilled to invite you to the first annual International Neuropsychology Day, a new tradition we are excited to launch in honor of the United Nations World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development. My name is Bree Darbo. I'm a neuropsychologist and clinical psychologist from Toronto, Canada, representing the Society for Black Neuropsychology today. This event is about all of us, neuropsychologists worldwide, coming together to celebrate our work, to share our experiences, and build meaningful connections across borders and across cultures. As neuropsychologists, we're united by a shared mission to understand the brain and behavior through a culturally informed lens, and to ensure that our work promotes equity, inclusion, and justice, both in science and in practice. At this inaugural event, we'll be joined by representatives and delegates from organizations worldwide. And together, we'll reflect on our achievements, discuss current challenges, and explore the future of neuropsychology in diverse cultural contexts. Whether you're an established clinician, an early career researcher, or a student just beginning your journey, this event is for you. We welcome all who are passionate about culturally responsive neuropsychology. And now I want to talk a little bit about what the Society for Black Neuropsychology has been up to, and I'll share my slides to walk us through that. Here at the Society for Black Neuropsychology, we have had a vibrant year, and we're proud of the ways we've continued to uphold our mission of promoting competent clinical practice, scientific rigor, mentorship, and advocacy in Black communities. I'd like to share a few highlights from our work recently. So, we facilitated a highly engaged community table at the International Neuropsychological Society meeting, and we hosted a warm, inclusive social event in New Orleans. We also sponsored the ANTS Social, expanding our reach and support for trainees. Beyond that, we're proud to be a delegate organization for the Minnesota Conference, where we've contributed to educational guidelines rooted in equity and inclusion. Our continuing education offerings have also expanded, including collaborations with national organizations to provide accessible, culturally relevant content for clinicians and trainees. Our mentorship program continues to thrive with another successful round completed, and we're really looking forward to recruiting a new cohort soon. Finally, we're actively recruiting for leadership roles to ensure the longevity and growth of this important work and to ensure that we have fulsome, diverse perspectives contributing to our leadership team. All of this work is grounded in our guiding mission, which ultimately aims to expand representation in neuropsychology, to promote brain health equity, and to foster communities across the African diaspora and beyond. International Neuropsychology Day is an opportunity to celebrate that mission together. Whether you're coming to learn, whether you're coming to connect, or to share your story, we welcome you with open arms. Let's all take this time to honor the cultural richness of our field and the immense power of global collaboration in shaping the future of neuropsychology for the better. Thank you so much for listening, and thank you for joining the event.